Introduce highlight features or overview summary for LUBAIR Crawl Space Dehumidifier for Basements, 145 pints commercial dehumidifiers with drain hose, industrial dehumidifier for large space. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Quickly and effectively remove 145 pints of moisture, up to 6,000 square feet, which can reduce the humidity to a comfortable level in a short time, perfect for basements, large and medium-sized rooms. Crawling spaces, basements/cellars, storage areas, garages, laundry rooms, and commercial uses. This commercial dehumidifiers can increase the fan speed to 235 cfm, absorb the maximum moisture quickly and effectively with the minimum energy consumption, and provide you with a healthy and comfortable environment. And the dehumidifiers designed in the basement is durable and adopts advanced technology. As you know, in dehumidification applications, there will always be leakage of freon, oxide, hydroxide, or sulfide soon. This innovative function can protect the heat transfer of the coil and prolong the life of the coil by providing protection. Fast and effective defrosting process of this commercial dehumidifier. If frost is detected on the coil, the automatic defrosting cycle runs without periodic shutdown. The automatic defrosting function can prevent the collected water from freezing and damaging the machine. Suitable for any basement, planting room, planting tent, crawling space, storage area, garage, large room, or commercial use. It is very suitable for installation between floor joists, low clearance crawling spaces and narrow basement areas. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.